Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Is the camera on your Predator laptop not working? Don't worry, today I'll show you the easiest way to fix it. First of all, press Windows plus I, go to privacy and security. Press Windows plus I, it will open the setting and go to privacy and security. Here, go to the app permission, go to camera. After going on camera, ensure the app you are using, Zoom, Teams, etc. has camera permission. Enable the permission from here. If your app doesn't have the permission, simply turn it on. Then another way is to check device manager. Press Windows plus X. Windows plus X. Look for your camera. If there's a yellow triangle, right click it. Update the driver. If it's disabled, right click and enable the device. Restart the camera service. Press Windows plus R to open the short setting. Then here type services services.msc and press OK. After that, right click and restart. This can fix temporary software glitches. Then update or roll back drivers. Now simply open the camera app in your Windows to check if it works, the issue is resolved or not. Open the camera and you can simply check it from here. And that's it, your Predator laptop camera is now working. And like, share for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.